And the linkage be this. We will buy. So we buy one linkage from one side. That be this. Then we buy the rubber. Now 2 for this one. Now we buy 2 for this one. Then we'll buy this down link. This down link not good. So you see how. Then at the shock be this. We buy shock. We buy the 2 shock. So now the back be this. So now we for lose the shock. Come on. So you see how. Lose this side. We for lose the shock. Come on. I be this. So you see how. Then this now the shaft. See how grease not there. We buy grease put for inside. Buy grease multi package on. See how. So you see how grease not on this side at all. Grease not this side at all. So we buy grease. Then see the jetto mat. Oh yeah, they come out for the jetto mat. See you see how. Oh yeah, they come out for the jetto mat. Sorry to see you. The edge already go small. Still they come out for here. See you see how. Normal level. Then this one at the other side, I go lose and put grease. You understand? So now so it be, bro. Nothing more, nothing less. I greet you, chair. Hello, chairman.